How was your day?
It was great.
How was your day?
It was great.
How was the party?
It was fine.
How was the party?
It was fine.
What do you want?
I want a laptop.
What do you want?
I want a laptop.
Who are they?
They are relatives.
Who are they?
They are relatives.
Who is that fellow?
He is my friend.
Who is that fellow?
He is my friend.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it is.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it is.
What is this?
This is rain.
What is this?
This is rain.
What do you like?
I like to listen music.
What do you like?
I like to listen music.
What do you do?
I work in the hospital.
What do you do?
I work in the hospital.
Are you tired?
No, I am not.
Are you tired?
No, I am not.
Are you going?
Yes, I am going.
Are you going?
Yes, I am going.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am coming.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am coming.
What to do?
Let's play a game.
What to do?
Let's play a game.
What do you like?
I like to play hopscotch.
What do you like?
I like to play hopscotch.
Why do you want this?
Because I need it.
Why do you want this?
Because I need it.
When will you come?
I will come by p.m.
When will you come?
I will come by p.m.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who are you?
I am a doctor.
Who are you?
I am a doctor.
What is there for dessert?
There is a ice cream.
What is there for dessert?
There is a ice cream.
How is everything?
Everything is well.
How is everything?
Everything is well.
What is the date today?
Today is the 21st of June.
What is the date today?
Today is the 21st of June.
What brings you here?
I am here to meet you.
What brings you here?
I am here to meet you.
How far is your home?
It's nearby.
How far is your home?
It's nearby.
How about this?
I don't like this.
How about this?
I don't like this.
Did you pass?
Yes, I passed.
Did you pass?
Yes, I passed.
What is this?
It's a comb.
What is this?
It's a comb.
Who is he?
He is my class fellow.
Who is he?
He is my class fellow.
Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
What marks have you got?
I got 80%.
What marks have you got?
I got 80%.
Whose book is this?
It's mine.
Whose book is this?
It's mine.
Do you love pets?
Yes, I like pets.
Do you love pets?
Yes, I like pets.
Do you know me?
No, I don't.
Do you know me?
No, I don't.
Do you need help?
Thanks for asking.
Do you need help?
Thanks for asking.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What are you doing?
I am cooking food.
What are you doing?
I am cooking food.
How to start?
You can start with the grammar.
How to start?
You can start with the grammar.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to a restaurant.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to a restaurant.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What's the matter?
I need some money.
What's the matter?
I need some money.
Where is your house?
It's near to school.
Where is your house?
It's near to school.